Hello everybody, welcome back to Cards by the Hill. My name is Jane Hill. Hope you've all had a really good Christmas and New Year. And let me know in the comments below whether you had a good one or not and what you got up to. Okay, so here we are with another craft kit. This is the Art Deco Roaring 20s by Papermania. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased this as part of a haul that was featured in one of my videos. And this is to make an A5 foil decoupage card. Okay, so let's see what we get in here. Alright, we've got a card already printed. We've got we've got two ladies which go on the front here, and we're going to build them up, and the scene behind them, not necessarily a Christmas card. They've got it down as a birthday card, so we're moving on from Christmas a bit. And then we've got an Art Deco fan paper insert to go inside. Okay, so we'll start with this card that we're going to build up. And we've got A1, which is the fountain. Now the card isn't as thick as you would expect for decoupage. It does feel quite thin. Right, so it's actually the whole entire frame that comes out. So you've only got one card coming out of this, remember? So once you've used it, it's pretty much done. All right, so the frame is going on the outside. So this is going on the outside here. So let's get that down. I filled my little bottle up with the precision tip for things like this, because I find the tip on the Nouveau is a little bit fat or a little bit wide. Okay, so that's going on. That's our first piece. Right, so then we've got a second frame which has got this part joined, which is going here inside the first one. You need to marry up the dress and the outsides of the champagne flutes. So we'll get this stuck down. Right, so that one's going on. There we go. That actually had a little tear in the top of the fountain there, but we can't do anything with it, so what can you do? It comes like that. Right, and then the rest of it is going on in the center. Now I've just realised that they haven't supplied any double-sided foam to pop anything up. So I didn't use shaker pieces for the last craft kit because I wanted to see what you got if you actually followed the instructions. But this one will pop it up because otherwise it's not going to be a decoupage card. So let me just go and get some. Okay, so I've got some foam squares, double-sided. Just going to dot them around, and then we can pop this piece up. Let me know if you've got any craft kits you're planning to do, or whether you've tried ones like this before, what your experience was. I answer every comment, so don't think I'll ignore you. Alright, so that's better. Now we've got a pop-up piece, and we just want to position it as best we can over the fountain. Right, I think we're going to need a little one there. Like that. Okay, let's move on. So the next piece, it's showing to someone special at the top, which we've got on this piece here. So that can go on. As I say, it's very, very thin card. We use Nuvo. So that's going up the top there. Okay, and then we've got "Have a Wonderful Birthday" at the bottom now, which is on the first sheet. So we'll take that out, glue that on the bottom. There we go. Okay, so back to our main picture again. We've got this one here, which is A2, because we've only done A1 so far. So this is A2. It's both ladies. As well as the cake and a champagne flute. Like that. Right, so we've got to get that in the right position for that to look right. So let's pop that up. With some more foam pads. And let me know which content on the channel you have enjoyed watching, so I know what you like looking at and I can put more of it on. Okay, we need to pop out that little piece there and that little piece there. That's it. Right, so we'll pop this up, try and line it up as best we can. There we go. Right, so now we're on to Oh, we've still got some more A2s there, which is the lights. So we've got to pop up the lights. That's one. So we've popped the lights up. That's A2. Then we're moving on to A3, which is the ladies themselves. So we've got to pop up each lady. So let's start with the left one. Try and position it as well as we can. And we've got the other lady to do. There we go. And that's A3. So then we've got A4, which is the cake. And a drink. Oh, we've got quite a bit on A4. We've got the hat, the feather, and an arm. Right, so let's get these on. So there's the arm. And we've got the feather, the black feathers, and we've got the white feather, and we've got the cake and the glass. Right, we're going to need some really tiny bits of foam for that. That's for the cake. And we've got one for glass. Right, I can still see a bit of foam there. Gonna have to cut that down a little bit more. There we go. There's the glass. So that was A4, and I think we've just got a couple of bits left. So we've got nothing left on that sheet. We've got this one here, which is the lady's fur. Let's put that on. Well, this one was quite a complicated one, but they do give you the instructions to follow, which is good. The card is very thin, as you can see, so if something tears, then there's not a lot you can do about it. That's the popped up decoupage, which is quite pretty. And then we've got the insert page. They don't provide anything for you to adhere that with, so we'll just glue down one side. So you can open it and write inside. And that actually is bigger than the card, as you can see. So let me trim that down first place. There we are. Okay. Right, so there's our card. I've used everything that was numbered to use. So we're left with some sentiments. As you can see, there's the instructions. So yeah, a few bits left over. But you couldn't put them on another card that came with the pack because it only comes with one. There's the envelope for it. And that's the card. So there we are. There's the Art Deco Roaring 20s Papermania decoupage card kit. I want to thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking, and for your continued support. It's much appreciated, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.